Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making scented egusi soup. Yes, I am forever bitter leaf egusi soup, but I only had ugu and some scent leaves because I wanted to make something else. But then since the partner was saying egusi soup because he bought some yams, so I just said, okay, let's see how it goes. And fam, it is amazing. Oh my god. In a pot, add a bit of oil, add some onions, let that become a bit of translucent, add your pureed peppers and onions, give that a good stir, cover, allow to simmer, add some dry pepper. My mom says if you add dry pepper, then once you warm the soup over time, the pepper doesn't just go like if you're using fresh pepper. So I added a bit of crayfish. Now I am adding some bouillon cubes, giving that a bit of a stir, covering, allow it to simmer. Now I'm going to add my egusi. Normally I fry my egusi dry, but my dry blend gave way, so I had to blend with my wet blender and added a bit of water. So it didn't turn out bad. It was good, like how egusi should be. So give that a good stir, allow it to fry out. Just look at how gorgeous that looks. Oh my god. Now add your smoked fish. Yeah, and now add your boiled meat and the stock. Now with egusi soup, all you need is the stock for it to be very flavorful. However, if you find that it's too thick, then you just go ahead and add more water. Now I'm adding a bit of bouillon cube and then some salt, giving that a good stir so you can taste it, and then you add your seasoning more if you like. Now look at that, my god, stir that to ensure that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom, because once egusi starts to thicken, it starts to get thicker at the bottom, and you really don't want it to get to stick so much to the point where it goes burnt. Now it's time to add your washed ugu and scent leaf. For a very long time I never used to eat ugu egusi, and I still don't, but fam, the scent leaf is what is missing in your egusi soup if you are using ugu to cook it. It takes your egusi soup from 0 to 100. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. I had this with pounded yam made with my food processor. The Lebu wanted the pounded yam, and it was just good, guys. Just look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like my channel, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up.